Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay magpipresent po ako ng different questions as practice quiz or practice review about the topic volume of pyramid and solving problems involving pyramid. So ipipresent ko po yung questions in a multiple choice form at ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo step by step kung paano po makuha ang tamang sagot. Okay, so let's start for number one question. It is a three-dimensional geometric shape where the base is a polygon and all other sides are triangles that meet at the apex or vertex is called blank. So we have letter A, volume, letter B, cylinder, letter C, prism, and letter D, pyramid. So you can pause this video and try to answer. Then later on, play po ninyo at tingnan po ninyo kung tama yung inyong sagot. Okay? So ito pong question ay about three-dimensional geometric shape na ang base daw po niya ay polygon and the sides or all other sides are triangles. So ito pong three-dimensional geometric shape na ito po ay pyramid. Ano po? So hindi po pwede ang prism kasi ang prism po ay pwedeng square prism or pwede naman po rectangular prism. Pag cylinder naman po may circle. So ang may definition lang po nito na ang base niya ay polygon is only pyramid. Okay, so for number 2 question, what is the shape of the lateral face of the pyramid? We have letter A, square, B, cylinder, C, triangle, and D, rectangle. So what's your answer? You can pause this video again and try to answer. Okay, so let's analyze the figure. So ito po yung ating pyramid. Ang base po niya, it's either square, it's either rectangle, ano po? Basta't ang base po niya ay polygon, pwede pong maging pyramid yan. Pero, ang sinasabi po dito ay lateral face of the pyramid. Ano daw po yung shape ng lateral face? Yung lateral face po, ito po, yung pababa niya. Mula po sa apex, papunta po dun sa edges or punta po sa side ng ating base. So, ang tawag po dyan ay lateral face. Ito po ay triangle. So, our answer is triangle. Okay, for number 3 question, the volume of a pyramid was derived from the volume of what figure? Letter A, prism, B, cube, C, triangle, and letter D, polygon. So yung volume daw po ng pyramid or yung formula ng volume of pyramid ay derived from volume of what figure? Okay, so actually ang pyramid po, ito po ay cut down from the prism. Ano po? Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung pong volume ng pyramid ay madiderive natin mula po doon sa volume ng prism. Ano po? So ito pong prism na ito, pwedeng rectangular prism or pwedeng square prism po. Ano po? So our answer is letter A, prism. Okay, how about this number 4 question? Which of the following cannot be a base of a pyramid? We have A, triangle, B, square, C, triangle, and D, circle. So sabi ko po kanina about the definition of pyramid, ang base po ng pyramid is a polygon. Ano po? So kahit ano pong kind of polygon, pwede po, ano po, na maging base ng pyramid. Alin po dito ang not polygon? Kasi ang tinatanong po ng problem, which of the following cannot be? Hindi po pwedeng maging base ng pyramid. Okay, so ang base ng pyramid again ay polygon. Triangle is a polygon. Square is a polygon. At rectangle is a polygon. How about circle? Is circle a polygon? No. So ibig sabihin, ito po yung hindi pwedeng maging base ng pyramid, circle. Kasi circle is not polygon. Okay? Okay, so how about this number 5 question? What is the formula to be used in calculating the volume of a pyramid? So we have A, B, C, D choices. So again, to recall the formula in calculating the volume of pyramid ay ang pyramid again is base or the volume of pyramid is based from the volume of prism. So yung prism po mayroong length, width, and height. Okay? So dapat ang volume po ng pyramid ay mayroon pong length, width, and height. So ang meron po dito ay letter A at letter C. So again, may pagkakaiba po yung A and C aside from length, width, and height. So para sa volume ng pyramid, yan po ay 1/3 the volume of prism. So kapag ito yung volume ng prism, length times width times height, iwa 1/3 lang natin, yan na po yung volume ng pyramid. So, the formula is letter A. Okay, for number 6 question, which of the following parts or dimensions of the pyramid are used in calculating its volume? We have letter A, length of the base, letter B, width of the base, letter C, height, and letter D, all of the choices. So, alin daw po dito sa choices A, B, C, D ang gagamitin sa pagkakalculate ng volume ng pyramid? Okay, again, ito po yung ating pyramid. So, sa ating pyramid, the dimensions of the base, the length and the width, and then the height. So, ito pong tatlong given na ito yung kailangan natin to calculate the volume of pyramid. Okay? So, the length of the base, the width of the base, and then the height. So, length, width, and height. So, ito pong A, B, and C ay kailangan natin to calculate the volume of pyramid. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging sagot po natin dyan ay all of the choices. So, lahat po ng choices A, B, C, D ay kailangan natin to calculate the volume of pyramid. Okay, for number 7 question, what is the height of the pyramid in figure 1 shown below? Ito po yung ating pyramid, okay? So, the sides are 10, 10. So, ibig sabihin, square po yung ating base kasi ang sides po niya ay parehong 10 and then the height is 12 cm. So, ang hinahanap po dito ng problem is, what is the height of the pyramid? So, alin po ang height ng pyramid? Ito po, mula po dun sa vertex, papunta po dun sa base ng ating pyramid. Ano po? And this is 12 cm. That is letter B. Okay, for number 8 question, which of the following can be a volume of a pyramid in figure 1? So ito po yung ating figure 1. We have the sides 10, 10, and then the height is 12 cm. So ang shortcut lang po nito to calculate the volume of pyramid ay multiply lang po natin itong dalawang sides ng ating base, 10 and 10. So ibig sabihin square po yan. So multiply lang po natin 10 times 10 and then yung height po niya na 12 cm. And yung sagot, i-divide lang po sa 3. Ano po? So multiply mo to, i-multiply lang po natin 10 times 10 times 12 divide by 3. So what is 10 times 10? 100 times 12, 1,200. 1,200 divided by 3, that is equal to 400. And then ang unit po natin ay cm, 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 that is cubic cm. So 400 cubic cm is the answer. This is letter C sa atin pong choices. Okay, for number 9 question, find the volume of a square pyramid that has a side length of 5 meters and a height of 9 meters. So we have choices A, 50 cubic meters, B, 75 cubic meters, C, 90 cubic meters, and letter D, 105 cubic meters. So again, ang question number 9 po, that is problem solving about pyramid. Okay, so given po the volume of, or find the volume of a square that has a side length of 5 meters. Okay, so ito po ay square pyramid. So gagamitin po natin yung formula ng volume. So 1/3 times. Actually, isa lang po yung nakalagay na side. Ito po ay square. So ibig sabihin, ito na po yung length and width. So yung 5 meters po dyan, yan po yung kanyang length. At the same time, yan din po yung kanyang width. And then height po natin ay 9 meters. Okay? Nakalagay po dito sa ating question, square siya. Kaya, length times width, ito po yung, doblehin po natin yung 5 kasi ito na po yung kanyang side. So, 5 times 5 times 9, and then, that is equal to 225, then divide lang po sa 3 kasi 1/3. 225 divided by 3, that is equal to 75 cubic meters. So, sa choices, that is letter B. Okay, for number 10 question. McCoy said that the volume of pyramid shown at the right is 140 cubic inch. Do McCoy's answers is correct or wrong? Okay, ito daw po yung pyramid. So, ang pyramid po, ang base po niya ay 7 inches by 6 inches and then yung height po niya ay 10 inches. So, sabi daw po ni McCoy, ang volume ng pyramid na ito is 140 cubic inch. So, we have letter A choices. Yes, McCoy's answer is correct. Letter B, no, McCoy's answer is wrong. Letter C, McCoy answer should 420 cubic inch. Okay, ang tanong, para malaman natin kung alin dito ang tama, kung tama po si McCoy o mali siya, kaya kailangan po nating ding i-compute yung kanyang volume. Okay? So, to calculate the volume, again, ang shortcut po ay multiply lang po yung length, width, and height. So, 7 times 6 times 10, gawin lang po yung gagawin natin shortcut. 7 times 6 times 10, then i-divide lang po natin yan sa 3. Okay? So, oral po natin, 7 times 6, 42. 42 times 10, 420. And 420, divide natin sa 3, the answer is 140. And then yung unit natin na cubic inch. So, 140 cubic inch is the volume of this pyramid. Ang tanong, do Makoy's answer is correct or wrong? So, ano ba ang sagot ni Makoy? 140 cubic inch. So, ang nakuha po natin ay 140 cubic inch din. Ibig sabihin, yes, tama po si Makoy. So, our answer is letter A. Okay, for number 11 question. Find the volume of a rectangular pyramid whose base is 6 decimeter by 4 decimeter and a height of 10 decimeter. Okay, so we have choices. 240 cubic decimeter, 150 cubic decimeter, 80 cubic decimeter, and 42 cubic decimeter. So, paano po ba yan? Ang sagot po natin dyan ay 80. Ano po? Paano po makuha yung 80 dyan? Again, multiply lang po natin itong tatlong given. Length and width. So, 6 decimeter times width, 4 decimeter times height, 10 decimeter. And then, i-divide lang po yung sagot sa 3. So, 6 times 4 times 10, that is equal to 6 times 4, 24 times 10, 240. 240 divided by 3, that is equal to 80. At ang unit po natin ay decimeter, so magiging yan po ay cubic decimeter. And that's correct, letter C, 80 cubic decimeter. Okay, so how about this number 12 question? The base of a pyramid has an area of 60 square centimeter. Which of the following is the height of pyramid if its volume is 100 cubic centimeter? So we have letter A, 5 cm, B, 10 cm, letter C, 15 cm, letter D, 30 cm. So ang hinahanap po ng problem is the height of the pyramid. Given po yung area of the base, 60 square centimeter at yung volume, 100 cubic centimeter. So, paano mo isolve? Ganito lang po yun. Gamitin po natin yung formula in calculating the volume of pyramid. Then, substitute po natin yung given. First is the volume of pyramid. Ang volume po ng pyramid dito ay 100 cubic cm. So, substitute po natin dito, 100 cubic cm. Yan po yung volume is equal to 1/3. Remain po yan. That is the constant. And then next, length times width times height. So, yung base po ng pyramid ay, yun po yung length times width. Ano po? So, given na po dito na 60 cubic cm, square cm yung base niya, itong length times width. Kaya ilagay po natin dyan, for length times width, that is 60 square centimeter. Ito na po yun. And then, multiply lang po natin yung height. Ang height po ng pyramid po niya ay unknown kasi yun po yung hahanapin natin. Which of the following is the height? So, remain po natin sa baba times height. So, kapag simplify po natin yung ating equation, masosolve po natin yung height ng pyramid. Okay? So, first, paano po yung ating pag-simplify dito? Since meron po itong 1/3 times 60, ibig sabihin, iwa 1/3 lang po natin yung 60 or divide lang po muna natin yung 60 by 3. What is 60 divided by 3? That is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay? Ito lang po yung ating sinimplify. 1/3 times 60 square centimeter. So, the same height and then yung volume 100 cubic cm. And then next po ay we're going to move 20 square cm dito po sa left ng equal sign. So paano po natin i-move yan? Divide 20 square cm. Okay? Kung ano po yung kasama ng height, yun po yung i-divide natin. So kung 20 square cm ang i-divide natin sa right ng equal sign, gawin din po sa kabila. We divide also 20 square cm. Then we can cancel 20 square cm here. Okay? So, ang matitira po dito sa right ng equal sign, ito na lang pong height na ito. Okay? So, h is equal to, divide natin, 100 divided by 20, that is equal to 5. And then, ang unit po niya, cubic cm, square cm. Subtract lang po natin yung kanilang exponent, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So, ibig sabihin, may isa pa pong cm na titira. That is the unit of the height. So, 5 cm is the height of the pyramid. So, sa ating pong choices, ito po, letter A. Okay, for number 13 question. Which of the following is true about the pyramid at the right? So, ito po yung ating pyramid at the right. Okay, so which of the following daw po is true about this pyramid? So, letter A, the base is square. Letter C, the area of the base is 132 square centimeter. Letter C rather, the height is 11 cm, and letter D, none of the above. Okay, so ang height po ay 12 cm. Nakalagay po dito sa letter C, 11 cm. Ibig sabihin, mali po itong letter C. Okay, cross out po natin. Next, the area of the base is 132 square cm. So kapag i-multiply natin yung length and width, since wala pong length and width at ito po ay square pare pong 11, multiply lang po natin. 11 times 11 is 121. So 132 daw. So ibig sabihin, this is wrong. Ano po? So letter B is wrong. How about letter A? The base is square. So ang square daw po ba yung kanyang base? Yes, kasi pareho pong 11 ang nakalagay na measurement. So, ibig sabihin, yan po ay square. So, our answer is letter A. Okay, for number 14 question. What is the volume of the pyramid in number 13? Okay, so we have letter A, B, C, and D. So, the same po, ito po yung ating pyramid kanina sa number 13. Ang hinahanap po ng problem number 14 ay volume of this pyramid. So, again, ang shortcut lang po yan. Pag nagko-compute po tayo ng volume ng pyramid, multiply lang po yung sides ng ating pyramid. So, dalawa po. It's either length, width, or side. So, 11 times 11 times the height, 12. Okay? So, 11 times 11 times height na 12. And, ang sagot, i-divide lang po natin sa 3. So, we have 11 times 11 times 12. That is equal to 100 or 1,452. And then, divide lang po natin sa 3. And, the quotient is 484 cubic centimeter. So, we have letter A sa atin pong choices. Okay, for number 15 question, which of the following is true about the height of the pyramid? So, we have A, B, C, D choices. So, again, i-review natin yung ating pyramid. So, ang pyramid po natin ay may bases, or may base rather. Kapag ito po ay rectangle, length times width, and then kapag ito naman po ay square, side times side. So, ang tinanap po ng problem ay height of the pyramid. So, ang height po niya ay ito po, mula po sa apex hanggang po dito sa base ng pyramid. So, ang tawag po dyan ay perpendicular height. So, alin po dito? Letter A, the edge of the triangle. Letter B, it is perpendicular to the base. Okay, so it is perpendicular to the base. And that is our answer, letter B. Salamat sa pod, kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video nito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.